an opportunity to hear the celebrity tarot reader Manisha Kotwani was a great way to start this new year. Her advice to the LSG members of living in the moment, living day by day, then meditating and being cautious till August this year will go a long way in healing us and help us come out of this pandemic with flying colors. Thank you, Dia. Thank you, LSG, for making this possible.
Thank you, Dia and LSG, for making me part of this event today. I was really impressed by Monisha, and the main thing I liked about her was her positive attitude towards life and towards the present situation. I'm very thankful for LSG for making me part of this. And the last card she took out was the surrender to the universe and surrender to God. I'm really impressed by her, and I would like to contact her once again. Thanks so much, dear Dia.
Hello everyone, this is Archana Junjunwala here. Had a great session with Monisha in such a short time. Learning a way of positivity with so much insightfulness on my present and future. Dia, thanks for this session, for clearing all my doubts, to make my life so simple. Looking forward to meeting Manisha soon.
Thank you, Dia. Thank you, Ladies Study Group, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to have a one-on-one session with our celebrity tarot card reader Manisha. She was absolutely accurate with my reading, and I will definitely follow her 3 tips for 2021. Live in the moment and follow your passion. Do a lot of meditation, yoga, and stay calm. Be happy and let go. Thank you.
It was heartwarming and inspiring to listen to Sudha Murthy ji, a woman of impenetrable character and moral strength. She taught us how to live a value-driven life and believing in oneself. Through her foundation, she has touched thousands of lives in a positive way. She also gave us practical tips if you want to help someone how to start, that is by helping those who are unfortunate around us. It can just be your maid or your driver, or saying some kind words to someone having a rough day. Sudhaji epitomizes the saying, simple living and high thinking. Thank you, Ladies Study Group, for giving me the opportunity to listen and learn from such a living legend.
I would like to thank President Dia and her team for bringing to us such an amazing and enlightening session with Sudha Murthy ji. She said, live by example, and she truly believes and does that. A dynamic personality, yet so simple and humble, there is a lot to learn from her. We all are passing through a very difficult time over many months now. Under the circumstances, listening to her life stories and thoughts was very inspirational and motivational for all of us. I would like to thank once again to Ladies Study Group for such a wonderful session. Thank you.
Webinar was really an inspirational one. I am thankful to our President Dia Jaiswal, her team and Ladies Study Group. Dia, you were commendable in today's session. Through your questions, we came to know so much about Mrs. Sudha Murthy's life and incidents. She is a perfect all-rounder. We learn so much from her. She is a really giver to the society. One can learn so many things from her, and I am really impressed by her simplicity, generosity, and her humble nature, and her this statement that nobody can become great with her wealth, but one becomes great by giving back to society has really put a great impression on me. On the whole, today's session was really a pleasant one. Thanks.
Namaskar, Sudhaji. What should I say? Life seems complete when it meets you. Yes, God must be so proud of you to see your achievements and sharing it with all of us. I have read number of your articles and some books, and it has always been so inspiring. And I use your stories all the time to inspire the people I'm counseling. It is wonderful. I have really no words to express myself, but you just say, do your best. And you are doing your best in whether it is technology, shastras, bringing up children, driving a truck. I can go on and on. Lovely hearing you and getting inspired. Thank you, Dia LSG, for inviting me to share my thoughts. Thank you. Namaskar.
Hello, ladies. Welcome to our first live event in the new normal.
Looking forward to meeting you all lovely ladies at the HHI next Saturday morning at 9:30.
We will be driving around the city for approximately 2 hours solving clues. So ladies, let's set go!
So, good evening, everyone, and I'm so happy to welcome each and every one of you to this very special virtual prize distribution ceremony. A warm welcome to our Lady Study Group members who were our rallies today, and to our Lady Study Group members who have joined us even though they were unable to participate in the rally earlier, and to the members of the Ladies Study Group governing body, advisory body, and the Ladies Study Group committee. Thank you all for being here as we innovate and adapt to the current times. I am just so overwhelmed today. The idea of this rally was a humble attempt to embrace the new normal by organizing a minimum contact, maximum fun experience for all of us, with safety being the most important aspect. And if I can take the liberty to say so, it has become perhaps one of the most amazing mornings for all of us in a while, and we have together made it a mega success despite all the odds. The energy has been electric, the mood was euphoric, the enthusiasm was unprecedented, and the weather perfect. The overall buzz was just phenomenal this morning. And for me personally, it was such a luxury to be in the midst of all of you finally during my term. It was truly magical. So thank you, and thank you again for stepping out, braving the restrictions put on each one of us, both by the situation that we are in and by our family members, the amazing LSG rallies for rallying around our city with each other, bearing with us on the little printing clue hiccup that happened with the red and the yellow t-shirts, the entire team at Ladies Study Group for creating this adventure-filled morning, to the members of the media who are with us today for their constant support to Ladies Study Group, and of course, our super efficient event organizer, Kalpana Saraf of SRKU Events, for curating such a seamless event for us. And perhaps the only reason the t-shirt color confusion in her booklet happened, the truth behind that is that she is so busy and so much in demand. And actually the yellow t-shirts are her theme for tomorrow's event. So that's why this happened. So it's all good. And of course, we have to thank ITC for their very generous participation hampers and the lovely products that we're all enjoying. We want to also thank the gallery store at the Kolkata Center for Creativity for their beautifully stylish prizes, which our lucky winners are going to enjoy. And we're going to send all these by courier to your homes. And we also want to thank the team at the Hotel Hindustan International in Kolkata to ensure that we've had such a lovely and comfortable morning. I'm now going to share the full answers for the clue books that we use in the rally this morning, because many of you have been messaging me, asking me for different answers. So I'm going to request Kalpana, who has actually curated it with me. And the honest truth in this matter is that none of our committee, not a single person at LSG, knows the answers except Kalpana and me. And the reason for this was because we wanted everyone to participate, including the committee members. So Kalpana, can we have you on screen, please?
Thank you, Dia, for choosing us today for this event. And I'll just be telling you the questions and the answers along with the stuff.
Yeah, please do. Kalpana, I think you've answered all our doubts, and whatever everybody had missing is now all sorted. Thank you for that.
Thank you so much.
I want to now request Sumanglaji Birla, our chairperson of Ladies Study Group, to address us and announce the winners of the first prize and the runners-up. Namaskar, Sumanglaji.
Namaskar. Good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon.
And congratulations for organizing this wonderful event, which I'm sure all the members, those who took part, thoroughly enjoyed themselves. And what I understand, the organization was also done perfectly. So there were no hitches. And I think you really worked hard after so many months of just having online programs. This was a big change. And it was really very nice to see the enthusiasm in all the senior and our past presidents and the present members who took part in this. And I would like to know finally how many teams were there?
We had 30 teams in total.
Oh, 30 in
30
total.
teams,
Yes.
yes.
And the interesting part was the imagination and the names which they chose. And I believe they all came,
Dressed up,
dressed
yes,
up
yes,
and,
yes.
with the lovely ideas. So I think it is just wonderful, Dia.
In fact,
And-
Preeti auntie was with us also, and in the morning.
Oh, yeah. Yes, I think Meenakshi mentioned she saw her. She was with you, and it all went off very well. Congratulations to all of you for organizing it.
Absolutely.
And I think, it was a big change, and this was, I think, the first of its kind event which Ladies Study Group has had. And now, should I just announce the
Yes,
winners?
please. Yes. And Ritu, you could share the screen once they're announced.
Well, the team is Ina Mina Diga, the first prize. And the team members are Sucheta Meher, Shobha Kanodia, and Anuradha Dalmia. And I must say congratulations to all our past presidents and the senior members who have really done wonderfully well. And the runner-up prize, the team name is Honey Heist, and team members are Shruti Rajgadia, Pooja Chiklangia, and Aradhana Bhartia. So
Fantastic.
congratulations to both the teams, and I am sure they've done very well. So you can maybe announce the details.
Yes,
or
yes.
or
In
you
fact, the
wait.
screen that everybody is seeing is actually the prize for the first, for the people who have won, the team that's come first. These gorgeous
Oh.
candles is actually the first prize. And I think, Ritu, we're all a little technologically challenged. So she's just going to change the screen and show us the winners' pictures also, and then the next screen. This whole Zoom technology is so new for each one of us.
Yeah.
We keep feeling we know it, but then every time, we try it, something happens. So anyway, this was the first and second prize. And the second prize is getting a beautiful platter. And we had an image of that also, but it doesn't matter. Ritu, you want to remove the screen then? If it doesn't matter, it's fine. We'll share them on our Facebook pages. So you can remove the screen then. No problem, no problem. We'll just move on.
The screen is on.
Yeah, but so we'll move on to the next award, and so I'm, our LSG member Anu Puri, her husband is the chairman and managing director of ITC Limited, Mr. Sanjeev Puri. And so we asked her to choose the best team name. And she's traveling at the moment, and she's in Delhi. And from Delhi, she's traveling even further, and she's gone to Missouri today. But she did go through all the team names. She spent a lot of time. She's been discussing each poster with me and telling me what she likes and what she thinks is even better than the last one. And just when she's made up her mind, I sent her some more, and she's like, oh my God, this is even better. And so the one that she's chosen is the poster, which is the Unmasking the Task, the Three Musketeers. This is the team name that she has chosen. And she wanted us to explain that the reason she's chosen this is because she felt it was the most relevant to the theme, because we talked about, we are in COVID times, we are on a treasure hunt, we are in a car, and we have to be safe. So she felt this covered everything. And this was her choice. So these are our winners, and they're going to get a beautiful gift from the gallery store too. And for the best team presentation, the jury has chosen the team Domestic Mafia. We're going to show you a picture of this. In case some of you missed it in the morning, Domestic Mafia has Savita Maheshwari, Shobha Kemka, Seema Behani, and Sumedha Bansal. And if any of you do remember the cars, Ritu, can you share that picture of their car? This is the prize, which is equally important. And now we're going to share the picture of what they were looking like in the morning today with their car. So Ritu will just bring that on. And meanwhile, is Savita, Shobha, Seema, Sumedha, any one of you, would you like to just tell us what you did? Because it was so much effort, you know. So is anyone here? Can you unmute yourselves and tell us what happened?
Hi, I'm here with Dia.
Please do tell us about your
it was really a fun moment, and we all contributed into it, and all household products we used. For garland, we used pasta, and for decoration, all the household equipments like spoons, dal ghotni, belan, and jharu, and all those sort of things. And it was a wonderful experience. And hats off to LSG for organizing this fun and frolic moment for all of us.
Super. You guys didn't, actually it was very hard to choose because everybody had made such an effort.
Yeah, everybody were very good.
It was amazing. So we had to actually ask someone else to judge for us. And so this is what they said, they have chosen.
So
Thank you so much.
Ritu, can you show the picture of their car, so that everybody knows who won
One second,
the...
I'll just go back and show it again.
Sumita Di, would you like to say something? Is she with us? Is Sumita Di here? So
I just want to say that it's an awesome rally, and I'm really impressed how wonderfully LSG members have embraced the new normal. Yes. Thank you all.
So we ladies, we did our best to give everybody a reason to smile and bring some excitement and maza to everybody today. And we promise to continue to find more novel ways to continue to help us all embrace the normal. And that's the picture that I was talking about. Just look at that effort. Please notice that they all have kachis stuck in their, in their headbands. And their malas are made out of macaroni. And they've got those kitchen, wooden things, spoons hanging as their pendants. It's pretty incredible, the kind of effort this team has taken. And we'll share more details even inside the car, on top of the car, behind the car. I mean, you name it, there was something there, you know. So they took the domestic part of the mafia and they've used a lot of domestic stuff. Very, very beautiful. So ladies, we thought if anybody else wants to say anything about their experience, please do go ahead and speak. But this is a very informal session. So please go ahead with some. Shruti, what about you? Tell us. You said you're going to talk about your experience. Yes, you. You said you're going to rest your voice so you can talk to us in the afternoon. So tell us.
Yes. I think it was the most brilliant morning that we had. You know, we are going to remember this for years and years to come. It's like 3 cheers to the Dia. Absolutely.
To the team, yes.
and the team. And
yes,
the team.
The team. All a team effort, yes.
Yes. It was just fantastic. And I think everybody thinks about that.
Yeah.
And our driver, Seema Agarwal, actually took us for a roller coaster ride, you know.
You know, Sumangjalji, so many of the members were actually driving the car.
Yeah.
So there were 4 ladies in a car with the driver also being an LSG member. It was really amazing in the morning to see that. Preeti Auntie, would you like to say what you saw in the morning? Auntie, you're on mute. Preeti Auntie. Preeti Auntie, it's on mute.
I know.
Yeah.
No, all I can say is that I thoroughly enjoyed being there. And I was so impressed, honestly. The enthusiasm, the excitement, and all of them, you know, especially each car that came in, we wondered, what are we going to see next? And, you know, especially the flying flamingos, I remember.
Yes.
You know, that sunroof of the car, there was Gitanjali standing, waving her hands like this. Each and every team, I must say, it was such a, like an electrifying atmosphere over there. I'm so glad. Dia, well done. I know how hard you worked and everybody else who worked with you.
Everybody, it's a team effort.
Very nice. I'm so glad I came. Well done. And congratulations to all of you. All who took part. I think each one deserves
Absolutely,
congratulations.
absolutely.
Yes, very nice.
Yes.
Thank you.
Is there anyone else would like to say anything?
Yeah, I just want to say I felt like, we were all just waiting to go out there and meet our friends. And, it just showed how much we've missed seeing each other.
Yeah.
So Zoom meetings have been very good and successful and we see each other's faces. But just being there and seeing each one dressed up to the hilt with funky things, it was amazing to see the enthusiasm, really.
Yes.
You gave us that opportunity to go out there and do something crazy.
Yeah, it was lots of fun. Anyone else would like to say anything before we conclude?
Dia, it was a super morning. We all thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. Did something we hadn't done for I don't know how long.
Very
it was
true.
So good. Yes.
I would just like to congratulate both Shubha and Anu Dalmia.
Yes, our winners.
For being the winners. And it's really wonderful to see them all, joining today. And once again, congratulations to everybody who took part and to you, Dia, and your team for organizing this wonderful thing. And apart from that, I think you people took all precautions for the safety for everybody who took part, and that was something which was really appreciated. I'm sure appreciated by everybody.
I got a little worried because we got so excited seeing each other. Everybody forgot caution and everybody started coming out to hug each other. So I had to announce on the mic, please go back to your cars, let's be safe. So that was fun. We had a lovely morning. So thank you, everyone. I know everybody has given a lot of time today to Ladies Study Group. And we'll see you all soon on another webinar. And I promise to do something more fun very soon too. Thank you all once again.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Hi, Ladies Study Group. I just want to say a very warm thank you to all of you for listening in. I personally thoroughly enjoyed myself, and then I was so overwhelmed with the comments. I went on Facebook and saw all the comments and all the love and warmth that came from you, and I'm just overjoyed that it was meaningful for you. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.
What happens when two Loreto girls get together for a chit-chat about their past, present and future? Well, fireflies dance and pure magic. Dia and Shonali took me right back to my school days when they started reminiscing about Loreto House and our teachers. And it really brought a spark of pure nostalgic joy to my heart. It was really inspiring to hear about Shonali's journey of life and how her relationship between grief and death helped her to get the correct balance of reality and spirituality in her life. She is indeed a remarkable woman with immense emotional strength and courage, which helped her to cross all odds and go towards a positive future. We indeed have a lot to learn from Shonali, especially the fact that the sky is not always pink. It is also multicolored.
Hi, I'm Mandira Goenka, and I was a student of Loreto House, and I was thrilled when Dia asked me to say a few words. I was transfixed by Shonali's courage and spiritual insight in facing personal loss, and how she transcended her pain and translated her personal journey into cinema. Through her films, she has brought out many social issues to the forefront. I noticed how she has always been surrounded by positive friends and family who have had such an important influence in her life. Thank you, Dia and LSG, for an absolutely inspiring and heartwarming session.
Thank you, Ladies Study Group, for a lovely live session with Shonali Bose. The session was truly inspirational and enlightening. The self-care and love was much appreciated, and kudos to LSG and Dia especially for organizing such fabulous programs. It was really a must-watch. Thanks again, Dia.
Shonali Bose, a name we only associated with as a very successful and talented director, writer and film producer. Thank you, Dia and LSG, for bringing us to the other side of the camera. Shonali shared her life experiences, the highs and lows, with so much positivity and taking each day as it comes. Her very different take on spirituality, leading her to deal with the death of her son, a huge loss, which she transformed into her strength. A lot to learn from her achievements and her positive attitude towards life. Thank you, Dia and LSG, for such an inspiring session.
So, hi Shonali. I think you are a brave filmmaker. You have always chosen subjects which kind of have been left in the dark, or people are just not willing to talk about, and you go out there with gumption and sometimes anger and some kind of gut-wrenching emotion, unfazed by the fact that society ain't ready to accept this, and you just say, here it is in a big platter, with happiness, joy, sadness, and music and life and dance all in there. And I think that's really beautiful. Apart from this, I think you're a golden neighbor. It's really great. During the lockdown, it was lovely to have you take care of Sappho, and the kind of joy that you bring to her, and also the joy that you have on your face when you're taking care of her is incredible. You're amazing, Mom. Even with me, I felt like on Margarita with a Straw, sometimes she was my mother, in the way she cared for me, and also in the way how strict she was with me. I remember one day, I went out after shoot hours and I'd put some kajal on, and the next morning I came to set and a little bit of that kajal was still on my face, and she was like, you haven't taken your makeup off from last night. Where did you go? Are you ready for this? And I was just like, yes, Mama. So she is an incredible woman. Oh, also a fantastic person with physical strength. I am in awe of the fitness routine that she has on a daily basis. It's gobstopping. And somebody who keeps searching, who hasn't stopped looking for answers, for questions also, questions things, and yeah, I think that's the end of my speech. Bye.
Hi, Shonali.
Hi.
It's great to see you virtually. I guess you can see us, we can't see you. But we're thinking of you. Have a terrific conversation, as you always do. We want you to know that we love you. We feel deeply connected to you, as you know. And this is a request for you to give us a call.
Yes, do that soon.
We haven't spoken to each other for quite a while. I thought I'll use this opportunity to introduce you to the newest member of our family. You know the entire family so well, but you haven't met this fellow here. His name is Casper Chowdhury. And I really believe that Aisha chose him for us because Casper's mum's name, can you believe it, is Kobe, which was Aisha's favorite dog, as you know. And Aisha used to say, if everything else fails, then just get a dog. And I think she was absolutely right. We love this fellow. But we love you loads. You're one of our favorite people. in the world. We feel so privileged to have come across you and build a relationship and a friendship. And the way in which you've immortalized Aisha in The Sky is Pink is absolutely magical, Shonali. So sending you a few kisses and a big hug.
Hey Shonali, thank you so much for Sky is Pink. I still get calls from people who really relate to this film, and that's such a testimony to the power of your filmmaking. So thank you so much. Have a great interview. Bye.
Call us soon, okay? Call us. Bye.
Hello everyone, greetings to all the LSG members. I am Sheetal Bamalwa. Every person on the globe today has been affected by the corona pandemic physically or emotionally. It was a great step on behalf of LSG and especially Dia to take up this as a discussion topic. Since we have heard about vaccines, every day we hear things for and against the vaccine and its treatments. The program on treatment and vaccines for COVID-19 was an eye-opener. The member on the panel were all very informative and gave a lot of insight on the treatments and vaccines to be given. Mr. Reddy and Dr. Anandi Johri were so humble as to clear all the doubts that all the members had, and it was nice to have a positive outlook on the vaccine in the end. Thank you.
Hello friends, I take this opportunity to thank Dia and LSG team for organizing such an insightful, informative and interesting session on such a relevant topic of COVID vaccines and its rollout. The session was brilliantly steered by Priya Sehgal. Panelist Mr. Reddy gave an overview of the different variety of vaccines being manufactured by the different labs worldwide. Dr. Johri gave an overview of the American vaccine and explained the difference between the Indian and American vaccine. Dr. Ropali Basu gave an overview of the current rollout program of vaccine of West Bengal. They were of the opinion that we are very grateful that vaccine has been successful. It is in the interest of all of us to get vaccinated, and we should stick to social distancing, masks and sanitizers, which is like 80% of protection against COVID, and we should all go for vaccination.
Organizing the timely webinar on COVID-19 in 2021, treatment and vaccines. It was an all-encompassing event which cleared all my doubts and fears regarding the vaccine. I am now eagerly looking forward to vaccinate my whole family while maintaining safety protocols as suggested by the speakers. Thank you once again, Dia and LSG, for organizing such an insightful event.
Hi Dia, thank you so much for organizing such an amazing conversation about COVID-19 and the roadmap that what's going to happen in the coming few months regarding the vaccine and the treatments. So the discussion was really very much informative, and I think it was a brilliant topic that you chose. So thank you so much for organizing it.
I'm Shraddha Agarwal, and it was a great pleasure to attend the Ladies Study Group Nature Walk organized yesterday at the Tollygunge Club. It was a beautiful walk guided by Deepti Mukherjee, and she let us know a lot of inside stories of the Tollygunge Club flora and fauna, which we were not aware of up until now. Now, I guess whenever we walk, we will know so much better about our surroundings at the Tollygunge Club, about the flowers and their specialities, and the birds and
a lot about their calling and about their nature, etc. And it was a great break from the online events to actually go out and step out and meet our friends and to reconnect with everybody. I look forward to more offline events by the Lady Study Group. Thank you and all the best.
Thank you, Dia and Team LSG for organizing this walk in nature. Diti was an excellent guide who navigated us through the rich variety of flora and fauna of Tolly. The 60-minute walk with greenery and birds chirping was a welcome change after the mundane lockdown days as a sense of normalcy resumes. I returned home with a rich knowledge of the 100 acres of Tolly. Yes, I saw the grand banyan tree and also a jalebi tree. The name so because the fruits look like jalebi. And the biggest learning was how the trees communicate amongst each other. It is under the ground, the roots communicate with each other. Thank you, Dia and Team LSG for organizing this walk in nature.
Had a super fun informative session with the Ladies Study Group. Urban Magic was a 1-hour guided tour of the Tollygunge Club, and our conversationalist Diti Mukherjee told us some great facts about the trees and plants and birds about the club. It was fun sighting the green pigeons, the cattle egret, the pied myna, and walking among the mangrove forests. We saw exotic plantations and indigenous plants. It was amazing to see and know how the club had managed to keep these plants for so many years and had restored so many trees that had fallen during the cyclone Amphan. Thank you, LSG, for reintroducing me to the outdoor. I'm really happy and feeling refreshed with the fun and fascinating knowledge that I have gathered today.
It was truly a treat to my mind, body and soul to be a part of LSG's nature walk at the prestigious Tolly Club with the gorgeous Dia and lovely Diti with her elegant style in guiding us through the 125-year-old Heritage Club of Kolkata, showing us around so calmly, imparting interesting knowledge about the flora, fauna, along with the impact of recent nature's calamities and how nature adapts and is able to survive against all odds. Truly, this walk empowered and refreshed me even more. Thanks and 3 cheers to Dia, Diti, Mitali and the entire LSG team.
I had a great time at the guided urban magic walk amongst the flora and fauna of Tollygunge Club. Felt like paradise. Never noticed earlier the inner beauty of these huge trees. An old banyan ficus tree. Beautiful, having aerial roots with an accessory roots, coming down to ground and forming more trunks. Banyan tree is our national tree and is considered sacred too. Even during the relocation of villages, these are left uncut. Many trees were destroyed during the Amphan, but Tollygunge Club was able to restore quite a few trees. I think it was more than 80. Another beautiful sight was a sequence of trees holding a large trunk amongst themselves and growing. This was a great sight, and as we know, it was United We Stand. Few trees had branches falling out here and there, coming out as they needed air and sunlight to grow. I felt it must have been a witness to history unfolding around it. We saw quite a few beautiful birds too, fascinating, varied species on which I had never paid attention. Thanks a lot to Dia and the LSG team. Special thanks to Diti.
Hi, just returned from Tollygunge Club from the lovely Nature's Walk organized by Dia. Fantastic idea. Really thankful to LSG for organizing a very informative afternoon. Very, very welcome in these times. And we had this lovely lady, Diti Mukherjee, who told us so much about the Tollygunge Greens. And we realized how much we miss if we don't listen, if you don't keep your eyes out open for the lovely birds and those stories about trees, and never walk through Tollygunge without, looking at and admiring the trees and the birds. So really had a lovely afternoon. Thank you so much, LSG.
Hi friends, welcoming the spring season and saying goodbye to the Kolkata winters with a walk at the lush greens of Tolly and in the company of LSG members was just too exciting and a refreshing outdoor activity. Dia, your warm welcome, your enthusiasm and participation in each of the many varied programs that we have had in LSG is awesome. Getting the members to participate and be inclusive with their feedback is a great idea. The program at the Tolly was absolutely blissful and opened our eyes to the richness of Mother Nature. Diti Mukherjee was very informative as she pointed out the various characteristics of the trees, their roots, fruits, about birds, their call, colors, and about calls. She was able to arouse much curiosity in us about the survival instincts and the group harmony in plants and in circumstances such as the Amphan, and also about replanting of trees. Knowing about the history of the Tolly Club and it being a heritage site like Victoria Memorial was insightful. Being a proud member of LSG, I have enjoyed today's program and look forward to many more such enjoyable learning experiences and get-togethers. Thank you once again.
Hello friends, I take this opportunity to thank Dia and the LSG team for organizing such an informative and interesting event, Urban Magic. The 1-hour guided tour of Tolly was truly an unforgettable experience. To walk in nature is to witness 1,000 miracles, and that is what I felt. To go to nature is to be soothed and healed and to have our senses put in order. Thanks to Ma'am Diti Mukherjee for her wonderful insight and information about the beautiful trees and birds of Tolly. It was indeed a lifetime learning experience. In every walk with nature, one receives more than he seeks. Thank you, Dia.
Thank you, Dia and LSG. LSG this time was Let's Study Green, and Dia brilliantly lighted up the idea of urban magic, and it was indeed a 60-minute walk of pure natural magic. Thank you, Diti, for educating us about the flora and fauna of the club. We came to know about the various trees, the flowers, the calling of the birds, and even those trees which had got uprooted in Amphan and how they were restored. It was truly an educative and amazing experience. Thank you, LSG, Dia, and the entire team of LSG. Looking forward to many more programs. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, we had a wonderful and insightful walk through the flora and fauna of Tolly Club organized by Lady Study Group. Urban Magic was truly magical. It was a refreshing and rejuvenating experience to attend this outdoor event, which was a sensory treat. Diti Mukherjee led us through the club, pointing out the different varieties of trees, birds and flowers, and it was great fun learning about them. It was amazing to know that though 200 trees had fallen during the Amphan, 60 trees had been resurrected and many more planted. A commendable job indeed. Thank you, Dia and Team LSG, for making us reconnect with nature and learn about the rich heritage of this 125-year-old club.
Warm greetings to everyone. A very famous naturalist, John Muir, quotes, In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. To my delight, urban magic helped me understand the true essence of this quote. Through the illuminating guided walk, I sincerely thank Dia for curating such an eventful hour. I express my gratitude to Diti for guiding us through amidst the lushes of Tollygunge Club, for it truly helped me connect deeper with our Mother Nature.
Hello friends, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Dia and her team for their commendable efforts in this whole year of difficult time. All her events have been so inspiring and totally entertaining. Though we all go to Trolley Club so often, yesterday's afternoon was a mesmerizing one, a totally different perspective, looking at nature and its abundance and how it adapts to survive in all difficult kinds of situations. It was fascinating to hear the beautiful birds sing and chirp when we all kept quiet for a few seconds for a change. Diti's information was so interesting about the heritage trees and the flora and fauna of West Bengal and of Tollygunge Club, and she knew each and every corner so well. It was just an amazing experience. Thank you, Dia.
Hi, this is Neha Swaika here. I went for the LSG nature walk today at the Tollygunge Club. It was refreshing to be outdoors after being on Zoom for so long. I would also like to say that I have been going to the Tolly Club since the past 20 years, but I saw the flora and fauna of Tolly today with a new set of eyes. Our naturalist Diti shared her immense knowledge about the birds and trees of Tolly and kept us captivated. Thank you, Dia, for this invigorating walk amidst the urban jungle.
Hi friends, first of all I would like to thank Dia for taking us to this lovely walk amidst nature. As we all live in a concrete jungle, this walk was really informative and energizing, and we got to learn a lot about flora and fauna, and we also saw a lot of birds that live in the 100 acres of Tolly Club. This walk was very informative as I learned a lot of new things that I did not even know that exist in Tolly Club. So once again I would like to thank LSG for this lovely afternoon, and thank you so much.
Hi, had a splendid time at today's nature walk organized by LSG. It brought me closer to the nature and the sights and sounds of the Tolly Club where we spend so much of time. It was really an enriching experience, and I'm sure from now onwards I'll be more aware and enjoy my time spent at the club. Thank you, Dia, Diti and the LSG team for organizing this.
Thank you, Dia, and the entire LSG team to take us to a beautiful and unforgettable third urban walk. Walking in nature with chirping of birds and discovering flora and fauna was so soothing to mind and body. Titi told us about the big banyan tree which is supported by its roots. It was amazing. Thank you, Diti, for letting us know about the jalebi tree, which many of us remember that we have eaten in our childhood. Tolly Club is famous for its lush green golf course, but today's walk was to experience the nature. Looking forward for many more programs. Thank you.
Hi,
Thank you so much to the team at LSG for organizing this beautiful nature walk at the Tollygunge Club. It was a great experience and it was really insightful to know more about the different trees, the plants, the flowers and the birds that are found in the club. I'm definitely going to keep a watch out for them next time when I'm there at the club. Thank you so much once again. Thank you.
Hi, this is Soni Jain. I'm a member of Ladies Study Group. We recently went for a nature walk organized at Tolly Club for our members. It was very educational as we had an environmentalist with us pointing out the unique trees and the elusive birds. I think the biggest benefit of getting out in nature is to enjoy the creativity found in the natural world and be thankful for this chance after being indoors for almost a year. I thank Ladies Study Group for this wonderful experience.
Hi, this is Vrinda Goenka. I would like to thank the Ladies Study Group and Diyali for organizing the Urban Magic Walk at the Tollygunge Club. The chirping of the birds, the flora and fauna, and a 60-minute walk with the members alongside a beautiful sunset was just mesmerizing. I've been to the club multiple times but have never enjoyed so much. We also managed to find a jackal skull, which again was quite interesting. A special thank you to our naturalist, Diti, who widened our knowledge of nature and the environment. Thank you.